When I use the air jack, I do the same thing as I do with any other jack. I use safety stands. And when I go down with the air jack, you'll see it's got two ball valves here. So you get safety stands out of the way, really clear. And then this little red one here, and I guess it's red to warn you that you're going to go down if you pull on the red one. This other one's green, which makes sense because green is for go, and you're going to go up with it and go on and fix the car, and then red pulls out, down. It's got a little like filter looking thing here that acts like a muffler so that it doesn't come out so loud and it doesn't like blow things around. Comes down almost as quick as it went up. Now, I don't have really nice textured floors here. One of the things I like about these airbag jacks is that if you did have textured floor or a nice mat or something, it doesn't concentrate all the weight on like 4 little spots where the wheels are like most other jacks do. It spreads out all the contact on a large area, as large as what this plate is, instead of concentrating it. So much less likely to damage mats or nice flooring with texture on it. Now, when I let it down, just to make sure that it's pushed all the air out of it, I like to grab the handle, push it up a little bit, and that pushes it up against the car a little bit, and then I can pull it out. And so I've got a little piece of wood here that I put on this rubber contact pad so they don't ruin the contact pad. And there's a bolt in the middle of the contact pad, and since it's rubber, I'm always concerned that maybe the rubber will go down and then the bolt will start hitting something on the car, but that won't happen if I spread the contact out on a piece of wood. And you can see the scar on the wood right there shows the scar that would have been right across here. So yeah, little pieces of wood, pieces of cardboard, stuff like that in the shop are invaluable. Even this really nice aluminum low profile quick take-up jack is a lot heavier than that. That's another advantage to the air jack. And you can see that this would definitely get under lower vehicles like the Corvettes and stuff I have around here. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to use that on Corvettes much, but shoot, SUVs, even this was a Prius and it went up underneath the Prius, which is pretty low. So most other vehicles, just fine. And this quick take-up low profile jack is the double pump quick take-up, and it still takes a lot longer, and you're sitting there pumping than this does. I mean, you just put the air to that sucker and just whoosh, up there it goes.